Good morning, children. Children, your chapter is 10 States of India, Part 1. Children, you see the state Andhra Pradesh. The language is spoken language of Andhra Pradesh is Telugu. Children, and the food is, you see, the guthi bankaya curry. Okay, children, and the next state is Arunachal Pradesh. The language spoken is in Arunachal Pradesh English. Children, you see the food. The name is children natak with rice. Then you see the state name is Assam. The language Assamese and the food name is Masur Tenga. Children, you see. Then Bihar language is Hindi, spoken language is Hindi, and food you see Litti Chokha. Children, then you see Chhattisgarh. State is Chhattisgarh, language is Hindi, and the food name is Bamboo Chicken. Children, then the next state is Goa, language is Konkani, and the food name is Chicken Yakuti. Children, you see the state name is Gujarat, language is Gujarati, and the food name is, you see the food. Okay, children, the name is Dokla. Children, now you see the state Haryana, language is Haryanvi, and the food is, you see, Amrut. So you see Amrut Adrak Chutney. Children, now open the page number 32. In 32, what you see here, here the state is Himachal Pradesh, language is Hindi, and food name is Chagast. Okay. Then state is Jharkhand, Hindi, and the food name is, you see here, Duska. Then you see the next state is Karnataka, language is Kannada, and you see the food name is Bisbele Bhat. Children, Kerala, the language, spoken language Malayam, and you see the food name is Avial. Okay, very nice food. Then you see the state Madhya Pradesh, language is spoken there is Hindi, and you see Mawa Jalebi. Okay. Then you see Maharashtra, language is Marathi. Children, the food name is Jhunka Bhakar. My dear children, the state name is Manipur, and the language is spoken there Metelan, and children, the food name is Eromba. Okay. Meghalaya, state language is spoken language is English, and the food name is, you see, Jado. Okay. Children, the next state is Mizoram, language is Mizo, and food you see here Bai. Now, children, you see the exercise. Children, identify and write the name of the foods. You see the what? Hell box. Children, you see the food. So, the name of the food is, children, it is what? It is Masur Tenga. What to write? M-A-S-O-R, Masur Tenga, T-E-N-G-A. Then you see here the food item. Okay, children, it is Litti Chokha. What to write here? L-I-T-T-I, Litti Chokha, CHOKHA. It is chokha. Then you see, children, it is the food. Okay, the name is avial. So children, you write AVIAL. Now you see, children, it is the food. The name is chicken akuti. Okay, children, what to write? CHICKEN, then XACUTI. My dear children, then you see, children, now you see the food. What is the food name? The name is Amrut Adrak Chutney. What to write, children? Amrut, AMROOD, Amrut Adrak, ADRAK, Adrak Chutney, CHUTNEY. Children, you see the name is Duska. So DHUSKA. Okay, my dear children. Now you see the next page number 35. Children, question number 2. Fill up the grid to know the languages of different states. You see the across one. This language is spoken by Maharashtra. One is here. So languages, children, Marathi. What to write here? Capital M, A, R is there. You write ATHI, Marathi. Then you go to the second number. This language is spoken in Goa. Children, Konkan. The language in Goa is, you see, Konkani. Okay. Children, what to write? K, capital A, capital K, O, N, Konkan, Ni, N-I, Konkani. Okay, children, Konkani. Then the 3. You go for the question number 3. This language is spoken in Assam. So Assamese. A-S-S-A. Children, A-M-E-S-E. Children, try to write like this. Okay. Then children, go for the question number 4. You see here 4. This language is spoken in Bihar. Children, you know Hindi. So you write H, capital H, I is there. N, capital D, I is there. Hindi. Then you go for the 5th. This language is spoken in Jammu and Kashmir. Children, the language is Urdu. U-R-D-U. Children, Urdu. Where you see? You see here. Children, the language you see in Jammu and Kashmir, Urdu. Okay, children. And the food name is Mutton Rogan Josh. Mutton Rogan Josh. Okay, not Ghosh. Mutton Rogan Josh. Children, so you know about the language. Then go for the question number 3. Match the states with their food. Children, you know the state name is Meghalaya, Karnataka, Maharashtra, children, Gujarat. And also you see the food. You see it is Dhokla. Dhokla is where? Maharashtra. Okay, children, what to write here? C. Children, and this food you see, it is, the name is Jhunka Bhakar. Okay, children. So children, so it is the children. Children, Jhunka Bhakar, you see, it is Maharashtra Jhunka Bhakar. Okay, children, you see. So, you write here. Children, you write here D. D is Gujarati Dhokla. Maharashtra, you write Jhunka Bhakar. So, you write here C. Okay. Children, it is the Bisbel. You see, Bisbele Bhat. Karnataka, children. So, what to write here? You write here B. Then you see, children, it is the food of Meghalaya. So, the name is Jado. Okay, children, what to write here? A. My dear children, try to know the state and the food name. So, children, Gujarat, you see in Gujarat what you see? Dhokla. So, Gujarat, you see Dhokla. So, children, what to write here? D. Then you children, you see the Jhunka Bhakar. You, the food of Maharashtra, you write C. Then you see Bisbele, you see where is Bisbele Bhat. So, it is Karnataka. So, you write B. Then it is the Jado. What to write here, children? The match. What to write here? It is the food of Meghalaya. You write here A. Children, try to do it and send to our WhatsApp group. Thank you.